Welcome back to Aquaplaticodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. Today, we're exploring an incredible idea that combines environmental restoration, economic potential, and a vision for a better future. Imagine a simple, wild plant, not only capable of turning barren, salty lands into fertile ground, but also creating new opportunities to solve food shortages and even generate economic value. Let's dive into the remarkable story of salt-tolerant plants and their potential to reshape our world. Picture this: vast expanses of salt-affected soil, unfit for farming and seemingly devoid of value. Yet, with the right plants, such as salt-tolerant species like saltwort or swahida, these lands can be transformed. These miracle plants absorb salt from the soil, gradually reducing its salinity and making the land viable for agriculture. This is more than just science. It's hope for regions struggling with land degradation. By restoring these lands, we're not just creating more farmland. We're addressing one of humanity's greatest challenges: food security. As the global population grows, the need for arable land increases. Transforming unusable salt flats into fertile fields could provide new areas for crop cultivation, helping to feed millions and reduce the pressure on existing farmlands. But the story doesn't end there. These plants themselves are valuable. After they've absorbed the soil's salt, they can be harvested and processed in ways that benefit both the environment and the economy. For instance, the salt stored in their tissues can be extracted and repurposed. This could mean creating agricultural fertilizers, producing salt licks for livestock, or even crafting specialty salts for gourmet markets. In addition, the leftover biomass from these plants can be turned into compost, providing organic nutrients for other crops. Some species might even be used to create biofuels or serve as raw materials for industrial applications. Every part of these plants has potential, making them not just tools for restoration, but also engines of economic growth. Let's take it a step further. Imagine integrating this process into a broader system of sustainability. For example, pairing salt-tolerant plants with desalination facilities could create a closed-loop cycle. The plants absorb salt from soil. The extracted salt is used for industrial or agricultural purposes, and the land is rejuvenated for farming. It's a win-win scenario that turns a problem into a solution. The benefits are clear. We're talking about creating new farmland, boosting food production, generating renewable resources, and fostering industries that could employ thousands, all while combating the environmental and social challenges of land degradation and climate change. Of course, implementing this on a large scale requires investment and planning, but the potential rewards far outweigh the challenges. Imagine a future where barren landscapes are replaced with thriving fields, where communities in salt-affected regions have new opportunities for growth, and where humanity as a whole takes another step towards sustainable living. This isn't just a scientific possibility, it's a call to action. Salt-tolerant plants represent more than a way to fix soils. They're a symbol of how we can work with nature to solve our biggest problems. What do you think? Could this be the key to a greener, more sustainable future? Let us know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aquaplaticodon for more inspiring stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.